Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to send a friend request to someone on Snapchat without saying added by search. And all we have to do is to launch our Snapchat application, and then we're going to tap on the chat and then tap on our profile. From there, we are going to tap on add friends. And then let's say, for example, that we wanted to follow this person who's called Mommy. Or if we decided to just tap on the add friend, it will say to them that they were added by search. If we decided now to tap on their profile and add them from this page or their page, it will say that they were added by a username. But in the case that we decided to tap on the share and then copied their link, and then decided to head on over to just a search engine like Google and then paste that link, it will take us directly to their page. And if we decide to follow them from here, it will tell us, or it will not say added by search. There's another way that we can actually do that. And if in the case that we are in our Snapchat application and then we decided that the same person, which is the same person that we tapped on their profile, and then we decided to share their profile with someone else, essentially to send them as a person that has been mentioned. But all in all we have to do in order for us to send a person or a friend request to someone on Snapchat without saying added by search is to tap on their profile, tap on the share icon, and then copy their link. After we've copied their link, all we have to do is to add them back here at the Chrome browser. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.